Hello friends, welcome to a new video of fluoratech.com. In this video I am going to share you how to implement an automated ad placement JavaScript code on your Blogger site. So first of all, let's understand what is the automated ad placement JavaScript code. Automated ad placement code is a JavaScript code that will automatically add advertisement in between paragraphs of your blog. In this post I am sharing how to implement it on your blog site, and this can be a great way to monetize your website without having to manually place ads yourself. So let's look at the preview of the site. Okay, this is a post I have written. So let's scroll down. Here we can see a advertisement box. Here we can again see an advertisement box, and here again. Okay, you get able to see the advertisement box. So this advertisement box that I am not manually pasted the code of the advertisement, I am not manually pasted on the blog. I am not pasted any sort of ad code on this blog post, but it is again displayed. This is because of the help of the JavaScript code. So let's understand how to implement it on your blogger site. So this is a demo blogger site that I have created. So in this site I am going to implement the ad code. So for that, first of all, you want to go on your blogger site, blogger.com, and select your site that you are going to implement this JS code. After, go to templates and click on edit HTML. So there is a lot of big code you can able to see here, HTML. So you want to go on blog 1 by clicking here, jump to widget and go to blog 1, and now you want to search for find CTR Control F and paste this data lesser than symbol data post dot body hyphen not hyphen slash greater than symbol. Here it said that it's not here, so okay, reset. Okay, it is I can't able to find by searching from the help of Chrome. So I am going to search for the code, this code manually. After taking some time, I finally found the code here. So now you want to add some code here. So first of all, I am going to urhub.fluoratech.com. I have shared the link of this post on the description of the video. So scroll down. First of all, you want to copy the opening article tag with the ID my article. You want to do similarly that I am doing. Go to the HTML and paste it here. Now we have created a opening article tag here, paste. Okay, and now I want to close it. So I have closed it. Click enter. Okay, now I am going to paste a simple nested code here. So this is not this. So we have completed the first step, and the second step is add the art code. This is the art code. Copy it and paste it under the closing article tag. I have pasted the code here. So here you want to add the Google Ads code or any other ads code. You can paste here Amazon affiliate product link, or even you can paste here any HTML boxes or table sharing related post and popular post, etc. So the next we have completed the second step. Now the next step is to let's take what's the next step. Add the JavaScript code. Copy the JavaScript code. Copied and paste it on here. The JavaScript code I have pasted. So now you can able to see here the error. This is because Blogger is accepted only XML. So the greater than symbol and less than symbol is not allowed by Blogger HTML edit platform. So now we want to write the encoded version of greater than symbol. So first of all, and LT colon. So the problem is solved here, and the second place where you want to encoded version, write the encoded version and LT. You want to change all the greater than and less than symbol to encoded version HTML. So this is only the two place where you want to change. If you want now, if I save the code, then the template looks like there is the art displayed after 5 paragraphs, after 1 2 3 4 5. Here the art will displayed, and after 1 2 3 4 here again the art will display. I don't like to show the ads after 5 paragraph. I like to show the ads after 3 paragraph or 2 paragraph. I am changing the 5, all the 5 from to 3, all the 5 number, all the number 5 to 3. Here I changed the number, here I changed the number, and also I have changed the number here 3. Okay, now at last I am going to add a CSS code to make it awesome and it display cool. So copy this code. So here is a bug. I have copying from this. Okay, so paste it on after the code, after the script tag, closing script tag, and save the code. Save. So it is saving. Wait a minute. Okay, it is updated successfully. So let's refresh it and look how it looks like. 1 2 3. Look here, the art is displayed. 1 2 3. After the third item, the arts box is displayed. The art is not showing, or its height is not is less because I have not placed any ad code on the code, because this is only for a video purpose and this site is not approved by Google AdSense. And 1 2 3 after again the ad box is displayed, and 1 2 3 the ad box is not displayed because let's refresh it and check why. So this is all for the video. If you want more information related to this code, you can ask me on the comment section, or visit the yourhub.fluoretech.com and write it on comment section. Okay, for today, goodbye.